Dang, I wish I had a sled. Try this again.
He's stuck, y'all. Do y'all see all these cars that are like stuck? And then that look like the highway thing. He look like he's stuck too. So really ain't nobody gonna be able to do nothing tomorrow. And if you do, something is wrong with you. Cause if you look at how it is out here, it's snow freaking everywhere.
Cold.
And it's cold as heck.
When it's cold outside. Yeah. Yuck! 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 Yuck!
I keep falling.
Yuck! Yuck! Oh shit!
Okay.
How you get down there? How you get down there?
Ready to drop a ball. Come on, you ready?
You ready?
Hell no, I'm cold.
Shit. Girl, I slid, my damn chin went numb. Okay? This damn snow feel like a refrigerator. I promise you. If you had meat in thine house, it would not spoil the day. Now,
Look at this little silly thing.
look at these motherfuckers. They be sitting out here,
And then they still
they're trying to drive his car on the damn side road. What the fuck wrong? Oh. Woo. All right. Crystal thing, you want to go on an adventure? All right. What can we do?
Let's go to Northern Road.
All right, folks, to be continued.